In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the SoFi referral bonus in 2025, step by step. The SoFi referral program is a fantastic way to earn bonuses by simply referring your friends and family. Today, I'll guide you through the process to ensure you can effectively capitalize on this opportunity. First things first, to get started, you'll need to log into your SoFi account. Begin by opening a web browser and navigating to SoFi.com. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the homepage where you will see the login button. Give that a click. Now you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you prefer convenience, you can also sign in using your Google or Apple account. Once you've entered your email and password or signed in through Google or Apple, you should find yourself on your SoFi dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is about finding your unique referral link. This is crucial because it's how SoFi tracks the friend you're referring, ensuring you get credit for the introduction. To locate this link, look for your profile icon, click on it, and then select the Invite and Earn or Refer a Friend option, depending on what you see. Here you'll find your unique referral link. Go ahead and copy that link so you have it ready to share. You're set now to move on to the next step, which is sharing your link with friends. This is where you can get creative, whether by email, text message, or social media. Ensure that you send the referral link directly to those you think would benefit from SoFi's services. Remember, it's crucial that your friend clicks on and signs up directly through your link to make sure the referral is tracked properly. Once you've sent the link and your friend decides to sign up, there are a few actions they need to complete to ensure you receive the referral bonus. Your friend will need to open an eligible SoFi account. This could be a checking and savings account, an invest account, a credit card, or even a loan product. It's important to note that each product might have its own set of minimum funding or activity requirements that your friend must meet. For example, a checking and savings account might require a deposit of anywhere from $10 to $50. So make sure your friend knows what's needed for the specific product they choose. Finally, after your friend has completed these steps and their account is verified and funded, you'll receive your referral bonus. Typically, the bonus will be credited directly to your SoFi account. Be patient, as this process can take up to 10 business days from when your friend's account becomes fully active. And there you have it. That's all it takes to earn through the SoFi referral program. Thank you for following along, and good luck sharing the benefits of SoFi with your circle.